Guys, hey, Altus Wheels here. Today we bought a new Balknecht washing machine from AliExpress. Just select the cycle. Here we'll put something in the water. Here we bought a Balknecht from AliExpress. Okay, here's the test cycle we're doing now. Wait, why isn't it spinning so good? Oh, it's good. Why isn't it rotating, bro? What the fuck is this thing here, bro? What the fuck? Look, guys, I could wash some bricks right now. What the fuck is that noise coming from my watch? What the hell, bro? Ooh, let me see what more features does it have. Wait a second. Now, what's this thing here for? Okay, wait a second. What's this button for?